Well, hello and good morning to episode 28 of Diver Dave's Social Distancing Omelet Series. Today, I'm going to make an omelet with some Korean leftovers. I have kimchi. I have Wagyu tri-tip beef barbecue style, Korean barbecue style, 3 jumbo eggs, and of course, Kerrygold. So what I'm going to do today is, in a frying pan with a drop of sesame oil, I'm going to put in the kimchi to try to get some of the water out of it. Then I'll add the barbecue beef just to warm it up. I'll melt the butter, put it in the broken eggs, beat it up, close it up, and make a very quick omelet today. I'm ready to get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is heat the frying pan and put literally about a teaspoon of sesame oil. This is going to just be used to make sure it doesn't stick to the pan and give it a nice little taste. Not as heavy as olive oil. The oil is heating up. I'm going to take the kimchi. Just try to get some of the liquid out of it so it doesn't get really wet in the omelet. Just drying it with some paper towel. Not getting all the vinegar and goodness out of it, but just trying to make it a little better to, whatchamacallit, not have so much water in the omelet. Actually, I can just put it in the frying pan as it gets up to temperature. Waste not, want not. So there's the kimchi in the frying pan. Still getting up to temperature, so I'll give that a minute. In the meantime, I will take the bowl and start to crack the eggs. It's 1, 2, 3 large eggs instead of 1, 2 jumbos. And I'm going to set this off to the side. Okay, the pan is definitely up to temperature. So now I'm going to add the barbecued beef. And let this just warm up a little bit. Okay, so while the kimchi and barbecued beef are getting warmed up, I'm going to melt about 1.5 tablespoons of butter into the frying pan. Okay, so the meat is getting warm. I'm actually cooking the kimchi a little bit. I'm gonna have to break up the meat a little bit. I'll chop it just so that it'll be easier to eat in the omelet. I forgot that I'm not going to use any butter in the eggs today. I don't want them fluffy. I want it much more pancake style. So I'm just going to lightly beat this till the egg white and yolk have combined. And that's plenty. Okay, so now I'm going to take the kimchi and the meat and plate it off to the side. I had made a little error that I should have cut the meat down into slightly smaller pieces. So while I'm waiting for the omelet to form, I will do that off camera and start to build the egg pancake. Okay, the butter is completely melted. So I'll just quickly get the egg into the frying pan. And even though there's no butter in it, I'm still gonna dome it up. Okay, now I'm gonna check the egg. That's looking beautiful. Still have a little bit of the loose egg and butterless mixture on the top, so I'm gonna flip the omelet. Should rise a little bit, as long as I can get it. Yeah, this shouldn't be a problem. And now I am going to quickly put my mixture into the omelet, which is the kimchi and the barbecued Korean beef. This is going to be a very savory omelet today. Want to get it all to one side. Doesn't that look pretty? And now, with the greatest of ease, I fold over the omelet and cover, please. So as you might have noticed, the kimchi I'm using is not have a lot of the spices. It's the white kimchi. It's a more mild kimchi, which will be better in the morning for my stomach. Let's check. Oh, she's looking beautiful. I'm gonna try to go for a flip. And we're over. Nice, nice. Since there's no cheese, I just want to get a little bit of color on the bottom. I like the golden brown as opposed to the pure white. Like my eggs a little more done. But at this point, it's not going to take much because the egg is fully cooked. I'm going to get the plate ready. And there she is, a beautiful kimchi and Korean barbecue beef omelet. Oh, lost a piece of beef. Let's get that and turn off the flame. Set it off the burner. So there's the beautiful omelet. Now I'm gonna go for a bite. Okay, so here's this beautiful omelet. I flipped it over off camera just so I can get a better view. There she is. Gonna take a little bite, get some kimchi, get some of the beef. The cabbage adds a nice crunchiness. The kimchi still has a little of the bitterness of the vinegar, but it's not as strong as a regular traditional kimchi. I know what I'm having for breakfast. Hope you're going to enjoy yours. Have a great day.